Malawi Tunisian President Kais Saied continues his visit to Egypt. On Saturday, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi and his Tunisian counterpart held a joint press conference following their summit talks at Al Ittihadiyya Presidential Palace in Cairo. President el-Sisi said that the talks reflected the historic ties that bind the two countries, expressing Egypt's aspiration to cooperate with Tunisia in all fields. President el-Sisi added that the talks also reflected common views, stressing on the importance of combating foreign interference in the region, boosting joint Arab action and preserving security and stability of the Arab countries. The two leaders said that the talks focused on regional and international issues of mutual concern, as well as boosting bilateral ties and cooperation in all fields. Meanwhile, Tunisian President Kais Saied will witness an Egyptian-Tunisian artistic celebration at the Cairo Opera House on the occasion of announcing 2021-2022, the year of Egyptian-Tunisian culture. Ahead of the celebration, the Tunisian president will make an inspection tour at the museums and theaters of the Egyptian Opera House. The Ministry of Culture had prepared the agenda of the event, including various intellectual and artistic activities that reflect the depth of ties between Egypt and Tunisia. Minister of Health Hala Zaid started field visits of a number of hospitals at Upper Egyptian Governorates. The first leg of her tour is Luxor. The tour aims at following up on the work at quarantine hospitals, as well as chest and fever hospitals and medical facilities dedicated to receiving coronavirus patients. Health Ministry spokesman Dr. Khalid Megahed said that the visit comes within the framework of following up on the implementation of the ministry's plan to counter COVID-19. He said Hala Zaid is inspecting medical services offered to patients and reassuring the availability of medicine and medical supplies at hospitals, as well as the availability of protective supplies to medical staff. Zaid is also to visit a number of hospitals and family medicine units in Upper Egypt, which is included in the first phase of the Comprehensive Health Insurance Program. The first phase includes 6 governorates: Port Said, South Sinai, Luxor and Ismailia. Aswan and Suez are next in line in the insurance program. Egypt's coronavirus cured cases rose to 159,054 people after more than 439 patients left hospitals. Reviewing the daily tally on the virus casualties in Egypt, the Health Ministry reported 801 new infections and 43 new deaths. The figure brings the total number of cases to 209,677 people, including the mentioned recoveries and fatalities, to 12,405. Health Ministry spokesman Khalid Megahed said that receding symptoms after 10 days of COVID-19 infection is a sign of recovery. China has administered 164.47 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines, according to the National Health Commission. More details.